早上7点，我下楼 At 7 in the morning I go downstairs. 爸爸已经在喝咖啡 Dad is already drinking coffee. 妈妈在厨房做早餐 Mom is making breakfast in the kitchen. 妹妹说我好饿 My little sister says I'm so hungry. 面包、鸡蛋和牛奶 Bread, eggs and milk. 今天的早餐很不错 Today's breakfast is very good. 我们一边吃一边聊天 We eat and chat together. 大家都很开心 Everyone is very happy. 妈妈问今天有考试吗 Mom asked Do you have a test today? 我说数学有一点难 I say Math is a little difficult. 爸爸笑着说没问题 Dad says with a smile No problem 你一定可以 You definitely can do it. 我喜欢早餐时间 I like breakfast time 家人在一起最快乐 Family being together is the happiest. 吃完早餐准备出门 Finish breakfast and get ready to leave. 今天又是新的一天 Today is another new day.